a really heavy rain, but I came to Chinatown, center of Kuala Lumpur for Chinese New Year, but nothing is going on. So I will walk more and try to find some celebration here. Let's see what can I find. Dry meat. Oh, they have in packages also. Look at this small papayas. So small. I never see papaya this size. Oh, it's so interesting. They do tattoo in the street. Yes. No, not a real one. Oh, okay. Unfortunately, it wasn't a real tattoo. They are doing the spray color. Yes, actually, like 5-6 p.m. I was here, but nothing was going on. It was just shops and nothing more.
Oh, maybe they changed it during
yeah, I searched in internet. I find that this Chinatown, if there be some celebration, it will be here. And the main one is here. But I came and I didn't find anything, unfortunately. So yeah, I think it's related more to what you said, like
Chinese traditional things.
Yes. So yeah, it's like that this year because of some government problem.
You also can visit Tianho Temple.
Temple?
Temple, yes. Chinese temple.
Chinese temple.
Yes.
Ah,
During festival
okay.
time also very crowded.
Ah, okay. Yeah, tomorrow I will go for sure.
You want to write down the name?
Actually, I think I have the name.
The name.
Yes,
Okay,
it's a
okay.
really big one with a red
yes,
ceiling.
correct,
Yes,
correct.
yes, I saw that one. I wanted to go, but then I find that here in the street they have more dance and this kind of things, which this year they don't have it because of this problem in country and changing prime minister and some floating mountains. People are not happy. happy. So
Fireworks celebration.
yes, no firework, no
Only
dance,
self-celebration we
nothing.
have. Like grouping celebration, we are not allowed to do so.
Okay. Thank you for
It's okay.
information. So I'm not searching more. So because today I was so disappointed about not finding anything, but yeah, it's because of this.